How to make Windows 11 faster. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Apps like Steam, Spotify, and Teams often steal 20 to 30% of your RAM before you even click anything. So what you want to go ahead and do is go ahead to Task Manager firstly, then go over to Startup Apps and right click and disable anything you don't need turning on immediately. As you can see, I have most things disabled already. Certain things like my mic software is enabled, my PC like temperature software is enabled. Besides that, most of the things are disabled because I'm only going to need them when I actually, turn them on. I don't want them turning on whenever I have my PC open by default. And also I want to run the storage sense auto clean. So what I want to do is go over to settings and then go over to system and then locate storage. Then just click yes when the pop-up comes up. And then toggle storage sense and make sure it's on. It says automatically frees up space, deletes temporary files, and manages locally available content. And it can also keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system app files. So all I want to do is make sure that these are checked, and then that's going to definitely help a lot as well. Also, you can go over to settings again. So I'm already there right now, but then go over to system and then go over to power and battery, or just power, and then your power mode. Obviously I'm on PC right now, so it's not showing, but if yours is showing, you want to switch it to best performance, and that's it. You'll be good to go.